Samahan niyo ako sa aking journey to Taiwan. So we are here at the Naiya Airport. So papunta na kami sa aming plane. We are taking the China Airlines. So kasama ko ang dalawang teachers din under TFETP. We are hired with the same program, but we are assigned in different schools. Here. See you. And that's teacher JP and I'm with teacher Ain. No, Ain pala, sorry. Teacher Ain taking the video for us. Hey, teacher Ain. See you in Taiwan.
Thank you for waiting, ladies and gentlemen. China Airlines Flight ETA 704 bound for Taipei is now inviting economy class passengers.
Yes, we're in Taiwan and we already had our swab test. We waited for like, I think maybe 20 minutes. It was fast. And then after that one, we met the MOE representative. This is the one guiding us to get a SIM card and then go through immigration. And then we got our check-in baggage. And then he asked us if we want to exchange money to Taiwanese dollar. And then he guided us to get on our quarantine taxi. So everything went smooth. Yay! And then so I traveled for 45 minutes going to my quarantine hotel and I'm here na. So I'm at the second floor. So this is my quarantine hotel. So I'll be staying here for 21 days straight. So that's 14 days quarantine plus 7 days self-health management. So I won't be going out so I can enjoy free meals for the whole 21 days. Yeah. Actually, I think I have everything in here. So I have a bathroom with hot shower, which is good kasi this is the winter time in Taiwan. So I needed hot shower. It's so cold here in the room actually, even if the AC was off. So they provided me with shampoo and shower gels and toothbrush, toothpaste and tissue. I have disposable cups and a pen, face mask, and I also have a thermometer because every day I need to report my body temperature to my school representative, so they take note of my body temperature every day while I'm in my quarantine. So I have a small fridge in here, but I turned off my fridge because I realized I won't need it kasi nga it's super ginaw here. So yeah, even my water, even if I don't put it in the fridge maginaw talaga siya. So this, I have my toilet. Yeah, I have really thin slippers, but it's really helpful kasi ang ginaw ng floor sa bathroom. Yeah, and this is my supply of water. So I think it's 1.5 liters and I have 12. See you lang today. See you in my next video. Bye.